You know, a lot of times when we go out to clean the micro channel drain around the pool deck, we find that it has never been maintained. And you see all the overgrown, the vines, the weeds. These are growing into the pipe as well, into that channel drain. Can you see that? The mini jetter does a great job of cleaning out all of the mud and debris that has filled up inside of that channel drain. And you see that water, how it shoots back out? So as the jet comes down the line, as we push it down the line, it actually pulls back all of the debris that is in the channel drain. And yes, it does get a little dirty on the deck, but you can easily wash that off after it's clean. So if you've got a pressure washer, it could be gas or electric. I really suggest that you go ahead and buy this package online that has the mini jet. And it's so easy to do. So if your patio or your pool deck is flooding, this is really the best way to clean this, and it'll save you so much money. I mean, $400 or $500 to call a company out to do this when the package is less than $50, and you can easily do this yourself. So once you've sent the mini jet all the way down through that channel drain, come back and pull out those weeds that have been growing through that mud and dirt in the drain. And once you pull this cable back, you can easily come back with a garden hose and wash off that little bit of mud. Very important to do that because it will stain your patio if you just leave it there. But again, this is such an easy project and truly save $400 or $500. Sometimes you could actually just use the garden hose and push it down through that line. But the problem with the garden hose is that there's so much mud in that little 1.5-inch pipe that's underneath that grate that it gets stuck. In other words, you won't be able to push it very far because the mud backs up and really gets tight. The nozzle on the end of the jetter, it works so good. You can see the water being pushed out through the grate at the top. But most of that water and mud is being pushed and pulled back to the beginning of the drain where we sent the cable in. Depending on which nozzle you buy, there are 4, 5, or 6 jets in the back of the nozzle. And most of the pressure is pushing that water back out. It works so good. I really hope this little short video showing you how to clean a micro channel drain helps you and you're able to do this yourself. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.